everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add to cart on Joann.com. If you want to add your items to your shopping cart on Joann.com, then here is how you can do it. Open a web browser and in the URL box type in Joann.com and press enter on your keyboard. Also make sure that you're logged into your Joann.com account. Once you are, from the main homepage, go ahead and select a product you'd like to add to your shopping bag. Once you find the product, click on Add to Bag and you'll be able to add an item to your shopping bag. You can now continue shopping for more, or if you want to check out with this single purchase, click on View Cart and check out and follow through the prompts. You can also keep adding more items to your bag and shop later. So that is how you can easily add an item to your shopping bag on Joann.com. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.